What is up, everybody? The whole state of Ohio is being put on quarantine unless you're necessary personnel to report to work. I'm one of those lovely people, so I don't get to take a 2 week vacation, excuse me, there. But I don't want to say vacation because I would get a lot of projects done. But I'm going to show you this right here. This is the Master Lock security bar. Mom and Dad had these bars in North Carolina, and well, they still do, and I absolutely loved them. So I decided I'm going to go out and pick me up a couple to put at our doors. You can kind of see right there how it works, but I've got one out of the package loose here, so we'll just come right over here. You can see you have all these holes in it for fine adjustment. So it's going to be a two-hand operation for me to show you how to do this, but let me get it adjusted just right for you. All right, here's what we got installed. I like to come at about, what would you say that is? 30-degree angle, maybe more. But that's kind of where I like to be. Pretty simple to install. You can hear Caleb in the background playing Fortnite, but you got your hook up here, and then you just take your bottom of your foot and kick it in tight, and there it is. Just an added little piece for your front door to give you a little bit more peace of mind. But this is for my family's safety, and also for somebody that if they decided they needed to come in to my home, it's for their safety. So that is just a quick 2-3 minute look at the Master Lock security bar. I mean, when you're ready to go, basically just take it, kick it out, lay it right up against the door. When you get home, obviously I'm pushing it in with my hand, but pretty easy install, pretty easy to use. So, hey, if you like what we're doing here at the Outdoor Office, smash that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. Trying to get to that 10,000 mark before May 31st. We're like 68 days, 67 days away. So we'll figure it out if we can make it happen. I think we got about 1,400 more. So, but there it is. Master Lock security bar. And always remember, here at the Outdoor Office, no matter what the season, we got you in our sights. Thank you, guys and girls. Y'all have a good day. Stay safe out there with all the madness going on.